गोवा ऑलिंपिक संघटनेची शेनवारा वेंचणूक जाली। हातूंत आयुष मंत्री श्रीपाद नायकाचे पॅनल जैतिवंत जाले। सरचिटणीस गुरुदत्त भक्ता आता आपलो तिसरो टर्म सुरू करतलो। परेश कामत खजिनदार जालो। ही समिती 2018 ते 2022 मेरेन काम करतली। गोंयांत ऑलिंपिक भवन उबारपाचे काम बेगीनूच सुरू करतले म्हूण सचिव भक्ता उलयलो।
It was seen in the press that a panel of Shripad Naik has been formed, and the entire panel has come elected with a very good majority. All the contestants got votes above 40, and the members have shown a lot of love and affection and towards what we are doing in the Goa Olympic Association. The observer who came here from the Indian Olympic Association has mentioned that this is held as per the Goa Constitution, Olympic Association Constitution. We have gone entirely by that. The sports code has been implemented at the national federation level. The state government has to adopt it and then make it applicable. The IOA has also not informed us or advised us or directed us to have this under the sports code. Therefore, we have gone as per the constitution and it has been held correctly. And people of India are looking forward to the national games in Goa. The president, Shripad Naik, has today announced the first thing is we are going to construct an Olympic Bhavan as quick as possible.
हे बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात। नमस्कार।